Hello, bosses. What you are seeing now is a wheeled and washing machine, which is mainly used to wash the soil of the naturals and washing machine and the stone powder in the machines and in terms of appearance and working principle. It is easy to remind people of the ancient water wheel for irrigation. Start the motor, link the reducer through the triangle belt, and drive the impeller to rotate slowly after the gear deceleration. Forming a strong water flow in the impeller, rolling and stirring calmly take away the impurities and small foreign bodies and discharge them from the overflow outlet washing tank to complete the cleaning function. The advantage is that the water consumption is lower than that of the spirals and washing machine, and the service life is long.